Clear? Factorial n, factorial 2, n minus 2 factorial. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
These get cancelled. So if we go for this method, it becomes a lengthy one. Okay? Hmm? Because if we go for this 8 into 7 into 6 into 5
No, ma'am.
into 4 into 3 into factorial 2. Now here it is n minus 8. So for n minus 2, then n minus 3, then n minus 4. Clear? N
Clear,
minus
ma'am.
5, n minus 6, n minus 7, then n minus 8 get cancelled. Clear? And here 2 factorial get cancelled. It is cancelled. So it is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 to 4 into 3. So in this way we have to do. So please remember a formula. It's better.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
formula is NCA is equal to NCB. If the format is like this, hmm, then the
Yes,
value of n is equal to a plus b. This is a very useful formula of the combination. There are a lot of formulas in the combination one by one. If I got the question, I will tell you. Okay. So now from here we can observe the formula just belongs to this pattern. So value of n becomes 8 plus 2, which is equal to what? 10.
yes, ma'am.
So if we have to find the value of nc2, then 10c2. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Hmm? So which is equal to factorial 10, factorial 2, 10 minus 2 factorial. Now solve it using the formula. Okay?
I'm almost 1 minute.
You sent me.
No, ma'am, I didn't. Somebody.
No, somebody else sent me something.
Yes.
The answer is clear.
45.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
May I proceed to the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a typical one. 2nc3 is to nc3. They are differing with each other. 12 is to 1. Okay. That means 2nc3 over nc3, which is equal to 12 is to 1. Now just find the value over here. 2nc3 factorial 2n factorial 3 2n minus 1 factorial. Clear? Hmm? Then nc3. What is the answer? Factorial n factorial 3 n minus 3 factorial. So when we divide them, we can see factorial 3 get cancelled.
Yes, ma'am. 2 and
Now, 2, no, don't cut n factorial and 2. This is overall 2 n factorial. This is different. Okay. In factorials, we don't cut that. Now in the reverse order, we have factorial n, and here I have n minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 12 by 1. Clear? Now we expand 2n factorial.
2 and factorial.
Sorry, 2n minus 3, because this is 3. So 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial upon 2n minus 3 factorial. Be careful in these types of questions. Now, n minus 3 is the lowest one. So we just split n factorial. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial. 12 by 1. These get
Cancel.
cancelled. Okay. Now we can cross multiply 2n, 2n minus 1. Now we can cut because there is no factorial. Okay. Which is equal to 12 n, n minus 1, n minus 2. Now this 2 can cancel 6. Okay. This n can get cancelled. Clear? Hmm?
Yes.
Now 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 6, n minus 1, n minus 2. From here we can also take common 2. Hmm? It
Yes.
becomes n minus 1,
N minus
6, n minus 1, n minus 2. Whenever there's a factorial, don't cut. After that, you can cut when factorial get removed. 3. And this is also get cancelled.
1. And if you take 2 common uh, in both these, then it will be 2 and it will not be 2 and minus 1, right? Oh, here.
If we
First,
take common from this, it
2
becomes
and
n
minus.
minus. Yeah. Hmm? If we take common, clear? Okay. 3 n minus 2. So 2n minus 1, 3n minus 6. Please revise these questions. Okay. It
Yes, ma'am.
seems easy, but they are not easy. Now what's the answer? 5. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? In a circle, if I draw any chord, okay, it consists of the 2 points. Clear? It comprises 2 points. So here total sample spaces are 21 and a chord can be drawn using 2 points. So for the combination we have a formula NCR. So in this way we become 21 over 2. Now I am applying the formula. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Solve it and tell you the answer and tell me. I think you can solve. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
210. Chords can be drawn. 21 points on a circle. In a circle, if I draw any chord, okay, it consists of the 2 points. Clear? It comprises 2 points. So here total sample spaces are 21 and a chord can be drawn using 2 points. So for the combination we have a formula NCR. So in this way we become 21 over 2. Now I am applying the formula. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Solve it and tell you the answer and tell me. I think you can solve. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
210. Chords can be drawn. May I proceed to next? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the question number 4. Firstly, you think, then I will tell you, or I will tell.
I think, ma'am.
Okay. Now, listen. I'm giving you demo. The question is, how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? That means in a class we have boys and girls. There are 5 boys and there are 4 girls. In the 5 boys, we have to choose 3 boys, and in the 4 girls, we have to choose 3 girls. So for this, these are the total number of boys and girls, and these are the selections which we have to made in each section. So for the boys, we find out 5C3, then into, then 4C3. This is your answer. When you solve, use the formula. Okay. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Solve and send me.
Completed, ma'am. I'll send you.
कौन अंदर आओ गेट खुला है अंदर आ जाओ अंदर आ जाइए आइए अंधेरा है भाभी बाहर कुछ जलवाइए लाइट है नहीं क्या भैया नहीं भैया नहीं है फोन करिए फोन कर लीजिए हाँ आंसर हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज दिस what you have done wait you have done in this way factorial 5 factorial 3 factorial 2 into factorial 4 factorial 3 factorial 1 so 5 into 4 into factorial 3 into 2 into 1 4 into factorial 3 into 1 factorial it is cut So 5 into 4, 5 2 into 4, 2, 2s are 4. So we have 5 into 8, that is 40. What's your answer? 80. What you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done? What you have done?
I abbreviated till 2, ma'am. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. And then I cut it.
You cut both 3 and 2 factorial.
Yes, ma'am.
This is wrong. If you don't understand, listen. If you don't understand, do like this. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 for the factorial 5. For factorial 3, write 3 into 2 into 1. For factorial 2, write 2 into 1. Then factorial 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 3 into 2 into 1. Then 1. Now a cut. Okay, clear?
Clear,
Hmm?
ma'am.
If you have confusion. Now next question. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. How can you do? Hmm? Tell me.
And 3 balls will be like the R of the.
Listen. We have a question. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls, and 5 blue balls. That means if I have 3 boxes having different colors of ball, this box contains red color balls, this box contains white color balls, and this box contains blue color balls. But here only 6 red balls are present, here 5 white balls are present, and here 5 blue balls are present. Now we have a basket, for example, where I have to put 9 balls, which we have to taken from these boxes. Okay, but we have to be careful that 3 balls of red color, 3 balls of white color, and 3 balls of blue color when we are keeping here the 9 balls. Okay, so that means we have to choose over here 3 balls. We have again the choice 3 balls. We have again to choose 3 balls. So n is this, r is this. So we get 6c3, 5c3, and 5c3, and you have to multiply them. So in this way, we easily solve these questions. Now use the formula. Okay.
Okay.
and when you solve, you will get the answer. Now find the answer, tally with your book, and send me also. I have to check whether the format is correct or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, I'll send you.
Now, be careful. There should be no mistake. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I won't repeat. Right, so
Atika, today's date?
ma'am, today's date 12, ma'am.
Okay. Now three classes are left now.
Yes, ma'am. I guess 3 classes.
Remaining three. We have completed a lot of syllabus in mathematics now.
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send you. Yes, ma'am, I've sent you.
Okay. Atika, correct. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Now you are careful at this time.
Yes.
Yeah. Now question number 6. Now this question is based upon the cards. Now listen. There are 52 cards. Okay. Ace means A. They are 4. Okay. Then king means K. They are 4. Queen, that is 4. Okay. Jack, J, 4. Okay. Now if there's a question of face card, there are 16. And there are 4 color of cards. Okay. Spade, heart, club, and diamond. All of each are 13 in number. So this is overall about the cards. Now, determine the number of 5 card combinations out of deck 52 cards. That means we have a total of 52 cards and we have to take out 5 cards. Is exactly one ace in each combination. This should be an A. Clear? And these 4 can be of any types. Now there are 4 A's. There are 4 A's.
4 A's.
So how many choices we have?
4, ma'am.
4. Now here remaining, how much of them is there? Total 52. That means 4 are left. So remaining are 48. So in 48 we have to choose 4 cards. And in 4 cards we have to choose one. Just one. And here we have to choose 4 cards. One, 2, 3, 4. So the combination is 4C1 into 48C4. Do you understand or not? Hmm? There are 4 ace cards, one of a spade, one of heart, one of club, one of diamond. Okay, just take a card and you can see like a, okay,
Okay.
of different colors. So there are 4 cards of A. So in 4 cards we have to take only one. Okay. Now remaining are the 48. In 48 we have to choose for the 4 cards. So in this way. Now how will you solve? I'm going to tell you problem. I'm not able to understand. One second. Hmm. We have factorial 4 factorial 5, 4 minus 1 factorial, factorial 48, factorial 4, 48 minus 4 factorial. So when we solve, we get 4 factorial over 3 factorial. 4 minus 1, 3 into now 48 factorial, 4 factorial. Here when we subtract, we get 44 factorial. So 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. Here we write 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 factorial. Now 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 44 factorial. These two get cancelled. Now these two get cancelled. Now you solve and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish. Send me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send you.
Mm.
Ma'am, I'm getting some big value. I don't know if it's correct. In a very
What's the value? What's the value?
like 1167480.
Wrong.
Yeah, ma'am. Because if you cut everything and when you multiply.
Use your mobile calculator. What is the answer?
47 into 46 into 45.
Into 8.
From 778320. Ma'am, 778320.
Correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. In how many ways one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl? Each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers.
Hmm. You can do that.
Yes, ma'am. I guess it's like same as the fifth one.
Yeah, yeah. Try.
Okay, I'll try now.
There are 17 players in which we have to prepare a team of 11.
Ma'am, I guess 17C 5 into 11C.
Five, five bowl
Yes, ma'am.
and others. Cricket team 11 must include 4 bowlers. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So there's a team of bowler and others, and we have to make a choice of bowler and others. How many bowlers are there? 5. We have to choose 4. Now, how many others are there? 17 minus 5, which is equal to 12.
Yes.
And how many other persons we have to choose? 7. Okay.
Okay.
So, listen. These are N. These are R. Okay. So, in 5 bowlers, we have to choose 4. In 12 other batsmen, we have to choose 7. Now solve. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, just study the question, think, okay, do
Yes, ma'am.
practically, and then solve. Solve it.
Hmm?
Done. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Send me.
Yes, ma'am.
You haven't solved. Hmm?
Ma'am, I've solved it, but I guess I'm getting different answer.
Listen. See.
I keep like
5 into 4 factorial. Clear? It is 4 factorial. Finish. Now 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Stop here. 7 factorial. Now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. These two get cut down. These two get cut down. Okay. Now
yes, ma'am.
4 2s are 8. 8 cut down. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now what are the datas we left? 5 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 3. Now multiply.
3960, ma'am.
Correct. Why you are so confused with factorials? Hmm?
Ma'am, at the calculation part, I'm getting confused, ma'am. And keep on doing the same mistakes here. Like
Okay.
in 4 factorial, I just.
After the lecture, do practice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This question, you do the whole question and send me.
Okay, ma'am.
You just make the format, then think and send me.
Yes, ma'am.
Send me. Do you understand how will you approach? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. We
Or I
will
have.
be
Hmm.
five and six as the number of like the total number of
Yeah. Yeah. Then.
balls, and two and three as the
Okay.
are other choice. Okay.
Listen. Listen. This question is very important. These types
Okay.
of questions are generally asked in the IITs, etc. Now there's a
Okay.
question. There is a one bag only. Okay. Now there are
Okay.
two types of ball. That this is black and this is white, red. Okay. Now
Okay.
black balls are five in number, and red balls they are six in number. Okay.
Six.
Now we have to make a combination in another bucket in which we have only two black balls, and the reds we have to choose only three. So these are the N and these are the R. So from here what we get 5C2 into 6C3. Clear?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we apply the formula NCR factorial N factorial R N minus R factorial. We get factorial 2 5 minus 2 factorial into factorial 6 factorial 3 6 minus 3 factorial. And after solving we get easily answer.
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer. 200.
Just check it from your textbook.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct. I checked it.
Correct. I think after that you can solve and get the answer 200. Okay. Now the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
question of this exercise. The whole lesson is finished.
And that was
Yeah.
too fast. I didn't know we could complete it.
Okay. Listen, this question is typical different. It is the little bit twisted question. Listen.
Okay.
In how many ways a student can choose a program of five courses if nine courses are available? For example, if we go to a school or a college and the teacher says to us, there are nine courses are available and we have to take only five courses for our lesson. Clear? But in nine courses, you must have to occupy two courses. Two courses are compulsory, specific courses. Matlab these two are compulsory courses. And in the remaining, you can choose. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
So, how many are remaining? That means 7. 9 minus 2, 7. Clear?
Okay.
So, in the 5 courses, compulsory courses, we have to take 2 courses, both these two. Okay? And now we have choice only of 3 courses. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
So, what's the right answer? Listen, we have to choose the 5 courses. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 2 are compulsory. 2 are compulsory. We can't do anything. For example, one is Hindi and other is English. Okay? We can't do anything for them. Clear? Now
Yes.
we have to choose only from here. How many choices are there? How many sample spaces are there? We have 7 courses are
7.
available, in which we have to choose only 3. So what is the answer? 7C3 only. Okay?
Okay.
Find out the answer. because these are the compulsory, so there's no need to find out. Because it becomes what? 2C2 and its answer is 1.
One.
How? Factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 2 minus 2 factorial. That means factorial 2 by factorial 2 and factorial 0. Factorial 0 is 1 and it is get cancelled. So its answer is 1. So remember one formula also. If we have NCN, it is 1. If we have NPN, it is factorial n. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just note it in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am. 35, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. How can you solve for first one? Hmm?
Ma'am, 7C6.
Okay, because no girl is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one boy, one girl. Listen, if I take one boy, okay,
Okay.
then five girls, which is not possible because we have only four girls.
Four girls.
So we have to take two boys. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
Hmm? and these should be multiplied plus another one girl, है ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
one girl, then five boys. Okay, so here I take four boys. Hmm? So
Okay, ma'am.
find this, then add because it is and. That is 2 boy, that is 7C2 into 4C4 plus, okay,
Okay.
4C1 into 7C5. Find this and add. So in this way you can solve these questions. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
I have 5 minutes. There's a theorem. We have to prove this. Okay. Hmm?
Clear, ma'am.
So when I elaborate, it becomes in this way. Okay.
Okay.
Now factorial n is common. We move like this. If I have this r plus 2, r plus 1, r, r minus 1, r minus 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So r, it becomes r into r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial. Just leave it as it is. Plus the factorial n is common. So here I have r minus 1 factorial. Now split it. So it becomes n minus r plus 1, then n minus r factorial. Learn this if you not able to manage. Okay. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have these two things common. One upon r plus one upon n minus r plus 1. Now we take the LCM and solve just like the fractions. It is get cancelled. So we get factorial n into n plus 1 when we multiply, and in the denominator we get this is r, then r minus 1 factorial. Arrange like this. Okay. then n minus r plus 1, then n minus r factorial. So if we consider this, yeah, r minus 1, this, it can be written as r factorial. We have to take the first one as a factorial. Okay,
Okay.
so here also we get n plus 1, then n factorial. Hmm?
Okay.
Here, here we get r minus 1 factorial. Here I have minus r plus 1 and minus r factorial. So for this, we write n plus 1 factorial in the numerator. In the denominator, we write factorial r, and here we write n plus 1 minus r, then factorial. We just make it like this. We take n plus 1 minus r, then n minus r. This is decreasing. Okay.
Okay.
So now it becomes in the form of c. If I take n plus 1 as p, so it becomes p factorial, r factorial, p minus r factorial in the format, if you observe.
Oh,
Hmm? Hmm?
yes, ma'am.
That means factor p cr. In this way it becomes, that means n plus 1 cr. Open the page number 151 of your textbook.